Welcome to Bite Bite Time.
Wake up, rise and shine. Stretch your arms, it's school time. Wake up, stretch so wide. Time to get up and go outside. Brush your teeth. Top and bottom underneath. Brush, round and round. Make that smile nice and sound. Splash, wash your face. Water drops all over the place. Wash, nice and slow. Now you're ready, off we go. Shirt goes on, then pants and socks. Dressed and ready, tick that box. Shirt and pants, socks on tight. I look neat and feel just right. Eat my food. Breakfast puts me in a good mood. Cereal, fruit, sip and chew. Eating helps me grow up too. Pack my bag. Notebook, lunch, don't forget the tag. Zip it up, give a tug. Backpack packed and feeling snug. ID tag, water too. Extra clothes, just what I do. Put them in one by one. Packing right is so much fun. Star chart time, a sticker today. I did it all, I'm on my way. One more star, stick it high. Ready for school, oh my. Shoes go on, Velcro tight. Left and right, they feel just right. Step by step, shoes are done. I can walk, jump, run, forth. Hug from mom, nice and warm. Safe and ready, school's the norm. Hug, I feel strong. I'm so brave, I move along. Walk, down the way. Backpack bouncing, start my day. Step by step, not too fast. Off to school, fun at last. Climb,